If you've ever tried to open a PDF and suddenly hit error 109 in Adobe Acrobat, you know how frustrating it can be. That error message basically means something is wrong with the PDF file itself. Usually it's corruption, a damaged internal structure, or a problem that happened when the file was created or downloaded. The good news is that in most cases, PDF error 109 is completely fixable. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's causing this problem and give you 9 proven methods to repair your file. Let's get your PDF working again. First, let's understand what error 109 actually means. This is Adobe Acrobat's way of telling you it encountered a problem while reading or processing your PDF. The full message usually says something like, there was a problem reading this document 109, or the document could not be saved. There was a problem reading this document 109. This error typically appears when you try to open a PDF, save changes to it, print it, or export it to another format. Unlike some vague error codes, error 109 almost always points to file level issues, meaning the problem is with the PDF itself, not necessarily with your Acrobat installation. So what causes this? There are several common culprits. The most frequent cause is a corrupted PDF file. The file's internal structure gets damaged, often from an incomplete download, an interrupted save, or issues with your storage drive. Another common cause is embedded image problems. Images within the PDF may be corrupted, improperly compressed, or using unsupported color profiles that Acrobat can't process. Font embedding issues can also trigger error 109. Missing, corrupted, or improperly embedded fonts cause problems when Acrobat tries to render text on certain pages. Sometimes it's simply an incomplete download. If the PDF was downloaded from the internet or transferred over a network and the process was interrupted, the file ends up truncated. The application that originally created the PDF might have generated a non-compliant or malformed file structure. This happens more often than you'd think. Finally, security or encryption conflicts can cause this error. Password protection or DRM settings that have become corrupted will trigger error 109 during file operations. Now let's fix it. I'm going to give you 9 methods, starting with the easiest and working up to more advanced techniques. Method 1. Re-download or re-obtain the PDF file. Before trying anything technical, rule out a corrupted download. If you receive this PDF from a website, email, or cloud storage, download it again fresh. Make sure the download completes fully without interruption. If someone sent you the file, ask them to resend it. Sometimes email servers corrupt attachments during transfer. Method 2. Try opening in a different PDF reader. Sometimes the issue is specific to Adobe Acrobat's stricter file parsing. Try opening the PDF in Foxit Reader, Sumatra PDF, Preview on Mac, or even just drag it into Chrome or Edge. If the file opens successfully in another reader, you can use that application to resave or export the PDF, which often creates a cleaner version that Acrobat can handle. Method 3. Update Adobe Acrobat. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause error 109 with certain PDF structures. Open Acrobat, go to Help, then check for updates. For further detailed tech guides, head over to mrgrid.io.